In this section, we are going to discuss about stored procedures and the function differences. So far, we saw that how functions is going to work and stored procedure is going to work. But keep note on this: stored procedure, it may return a value, it may not return a value, but function should always return a value, either a scalar value, either a table by the select query what we are returning it, or by our own select table which are defined by us. That is one difference. Another one, stored procedures contains a different parameters like input and output parameters, but functions we have only one parameter, that is called input parameters. We don't have any output. We will call it that one as a return type. But stored procedure, we cannot see that as a return type, nothing. Only we can see it as an output parameter, or once we executed a stored procedure, we can see as some select statement as a return. So that is the difference. And stored procedure will have a DML statement inside of it. So if you want to do it, you can delete, update, insert, anything you want to do it, you can do it in the stored procedure. But in a function, we can do only the select queries. We cannot do more than that. We can write some if conditions, else conditions, those cases we can write it, but it should be purely only select queries. Don't say that already there is an insert, why it is. This one, we are only creating our own table and we are trying to insert it to generate a return. That's why we are doing it. But we are not doing any insert operation related to the existing tables. Okay. And a function cannot be called within the, sorry, stored procedure cannot be called within the function, but function can be called as a select query, how we are calling it. The same way within the stored procedure we can get called. So if you want to execute the function, we are going to use a select respect to function name if it is a singular value. If it is a table, we are going to use select star from respect to function name with the some input parameters if it is required. But in case of stored procedure, we are going to use an exec execute stored procedure name. If any input parameters directly we are defining it. If any output parameters after the parameter we are going to specify as an output. Yeah, this is only the difference between the functions and the stored procedures.